Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn off sensitive content setting on X. I'm still not used to saying that, but just go to more here, go to settings and privacy, and go to privacy and safety. Go to content you see, and you're just going to enable this. Then go to the search settings tab, and you're going to disable this one. So that's pretty much how you can turn off the sensitive content setting. To enable it, just press the checklist here again and uncheck that. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.